In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV into Notion. If you have data saved in a spreadsheet or exported from another tool, bringing it into Notion is a quick way to turn that information into a usable database. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Start by going to your Notion page. This should be the page where you want the imported CSV data to appear. It's a good idea to open the correct workspace and double-check the destination page before importing, especially if you manage multiple pages or projects. Once you're on that page, look to the top right corner and click on the three dots. This opens the page menu where you'll find additional options for managing and editing the page. If you don't immediately see the menu, make sure your page is fully loaded and that you're viewing it in Notion, not just a preview. From that menu, click on Import. This tells Notion that you want to bring content in from an external source rather than create everything manually. It's a useful feature when you already have structured data prepared in advance. Next, click on CSV. Since CSV files are commonly used for spreadsheet data, this option lets Notion know what kind of file you're importing. Choosing the correct format is important because it helps Notion interpret your columns and rows properly. After that, click on Choose File. This will open your device's file browser so you can locate the CSV file you want to upload. Make sure you select the correct file, especially if you have multiple exports with similar names saved on your computer. Now select the CSV file from your device. Once you click it, Notion will begin preparing the file for import. Depending on the size of your file, this may take a moment. If your CSV includes clean column headers, the next part will be much easier. When the file is ready, click on Map CSV Headers. This is where you confirm how your CSV column names should match up inside Notion. Take a moment here to review everything carefully. Mapping headers correctly helps keep your database organized and make sure the right information ends up in the right fields. Finally, click on Import CSV. Notion will complete the import and create your content based on the file you selected. Once it finishes, review the imported database to make sure everything looks correct and that the columns have been interpreted the way you expected. And that's how to import a CSV into Notion.